Hi friends, I'm so excited to see you today. Do you know what special day we are celebrating together today? Oh, that's right, Valentine's Day. How did you know? Was it my red dress or my red headband maybe? Oh, you are so smart, of course. My Valentine's Day card. I made this Valentine's Day card for my sister Muggsy. Muggsy's favorite color is red, so I think she's going to love it. Okay, for your card, you are going to need paper. So I have two colors. I have red and pink, but you can use any color that you love. A marker, some glue, and some scissors. Now, be sure to ask an adult for help when you're using the scissors. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you. After we make our Valentine's Day card, we are going to look and see what's inside of my heart-shaped box. Do you have any guesses as to what's inside? Think about it for a little bit, and after we make the card, we will check it out. Okay, are you ready to make our cards? Great, let's do it. Okay, are you ready to make our Valentine's Day card? Great. All right, so remember, I chose red because it's Muggsy's favorite color, but you can choose any color that you like. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is fold our paper in half like this, and we're gonna make a long crease there, see? And it opens and closes. Perfect. Then we're going to put this off to the side. We don't need it quite yet. Next, we're going to take our pink paper. Now, I'm going to show you how you can make your heart. So, you need to fold the paper. You don't have to fold it in half, but we need a crease, okay? And then you can take your marker if you like, and I will show you the shape that you can draw. Here you go. So this is one half of the heart. When we cut it and open it, you will see the whole heart. Don't forget, you need to cut along the line. Just try your best. Okay, so take your scissors and go around. And down into a point. Oh, I just need to fix that a little bit. And when you open it up, look, you have a perfect heart. Okay, so we're going to keep using the same piece of paper. And I'm going to draw another line on it. So this heart is the biggest one, but we need 3 smaller hearts for the outside of the card. So I'm going to draw the same shape there. And then I'm going to cut along the line again. Around, and then down into a point. There we go. Another perfect heart. Look how cute it is. Okay, we need 2 more. All right, so again, we're going to fold a crease and oops. I will draw our shape again. Actually, I'm going to draw it 2 times for you. See, there we go. So we're going to cut it around, down into a point. There's heart number 3. And our last one. Around, and then down into a point. Great. Okay, one other thing we need to do is we need to make a long strip, and this is going to be for our spring for the inside of the card. I'm just going to show you again. See? It comes off the paper because we're making a 3D heart inside. So I will show you how to do that. Okay, so take your paper and cut a long strip. Perfect. And then you can cut your strip in half. We don't need it to be too long. Perfect. So I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to just glue a little part of the end. And I'm going to stick them together. There we go. Okay, this is the tricky part. So we're going to take this and we're going to fold it over and we're going to keep doing it over and over and over again. And don't worry if it looks a little funny. It doesn't need to be perfect. There we go. Over, 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 over. Okay. And mine's a little bit too long, so I'm just going to trim it. Okay, take your glue and glue the end so that it stays shut. Okay, so here is our spring. We don't need it right now. We're going to put it off to the side, but I'm going to show you this is what it looks like. Put it down for a second. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our marker and write inside. So I told you before, this is for my mom and dad, and I love them so much. So I am going to write inside I, and then another little heart to represent love, love, and then the letter U. So it says, I love you. You can write whatever you want inside of your card. Anything is okay. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to take the paper that we had at the beginning and we're going to glue on it on the outside our 3 hearts. Make sure you use enough glue so that the hearts don't fall off. Okay. 1. 2. 3. So we have 3 pink hearts on the outside. Oh, now we need our little spring. And we are going to put glue on both ends of our little spring. Take our big heart with our message. Put the spring on one side. Then we're going to glue it on the inside of the card. Here we go. I love you. And this one is a 3D one too. Boing, boing, boing. Perfect. Okay, did you have fun making Valentine's Day cards with me? I sure had a lot of fun with you. I'm going to clean up this mess and then we can look and see what's inside of my heart-shaped box. Okay, are you ready? Give me 1 minute to clean up. Okay, are you ready to look and see what's inside of my heart-shaped box? What do you think is inside? Let's take a look. I'm so excited to show you. Okay, I'll show you what's inside. We have 1, 2, 3 little plastic hearts. Oh, do you know what color this is? Yes, of course, it's pink. We have 3 pink plastic hearts. I think Muggsy is going to be very, very excited to see this. Do you know what this is? Can you see? It's a little chocolate. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 heart-shaped chocolates. Do you know what color this is? Yes, it's purple. It's my favorite color, of course. Oh, this is so beautiful. Can you see what it is? It's a little heart-shaped ring. I think that Muggsy will love it. What color is my ring? Yes, it's red. Red is the color of love, so it's perfect for Valentine's Day. Okay, my favorite part. Oh, I think this is so cute. Look, it's a little bear. And look at, he has little hearts on his cheeks. Isn't he adorable? Guess what? There's candy inside. Can you believe it? Muggsy is going to be very, very excited when she opens my heart-shaped box. I'm going to give it to her as a gift for Valentine's Day. Did you have fun making our Valentine's Day card and looking inside of my heart-shaped box with me? You did? I did too. I had a lot of fun celebrating Valentine's Day with you. I'll see you next time. Happy Valentine's Day!